everyone! Today we will play with BingImageCreator to generate images from text. The image generation is done on Microsoft Edge. My environment is Windows 10 Home. Make sure to apply the latest Windows update and update your browser as well. Also, make sure your computer is logged in with your Microsoft account. When ready, launch Microsoft Edge. After Edge is launched, click on the image icon in the sidebar or type BingImageCreator in the search bar. This time, type in the search bar to open BingImageCreator. This is the default screen of BingImageCreator. It is very simple to use. Only enter a prompt in the search bar and click the Create button. However, the prompt you enter is very important, and the quality of the generated image will vary greatly depending on how you write the prompt. If you are first time to using it, you may not know what prompt to write, so let's take a look at an example. If you look at Explore Ideas, you will see a list of images generated by AI. When you move the cursor over the image, you will see the prompt used to generate the image. You can use this as a reference. The trick to creating a good prompt is more descriptive. For example, instead of creating a noun-only prompt, you need to work on modifying the noun by combining adjectives and nouns. Also, adding adjective clauses help to create a more detailed description. Adding what style you would like the image to be drawn in is also considered effective. For example, do you want a realistic photographic image or a cartoon art style? Here is an example of prompt. Now let's enter the prompts and generate the image.
Our YouTube channel showcases Davao, Philippines. Davao is known as Durian City and is very famous for durian. So let's generate an image of durian.
First, simply type durian. It takes a while for the image to be generated. Sometimes it takes less than a minute, and sometimes it takes as long as 15 minutes. The image has been generated. The size of the generated image is fixed at 1024 by 1024. The generated image can be downloaded and saved. Now, let's upgrade Durian and create a new menu. Each time an image is generated, the credits will decrease. This is boost credit, and you can use this credit to generate images faster. Credits are reset weekly. After you run out of credits, you can still generate images. It will just take longer than before. The current DALL-E model seems to have a little trouble generating images of people. Especially, the facial expressions and hands of the person may be unnatural. AI technology is improving day by day, so we hope to see more updates in the future. Let's try to generate other images.